2 top semiconductor stocks to buy right now. The semiconductor industry has proved to be resilient despite broad economic weakness stemming from the COVID-19 pandemic. Companies in this space have capitalized on a pandemic-driven increased dependence by individuals and corporations on technology that requires microchips. The global semiconductor market is all set to witness robust, decade-long growth due to fast-paced progress on technologies such as AI, 5G, cloud computing, IoT and autonomous driving. Given this favorable industry backdrop, chip makers have been expanding their facilities to meet the surging demand. As a result, we believe, VSH Technology, Inc., VSH, and KLIC and Software Industries, Inc., KLIC, are strategically positioned to reap major benefits from the industry's boom. VSH Technology, Inc., VSH. VSH is one of the world's largest manufacturers and suppliers of discrete semiconductors and passive electronic components in the US, Europe, Asia, and internationally. The company's components are used in virtually all electronic devices and equipment, including industrial, computing, automotive, consumer, telecommunications, military, aerospace, power supplies, and medical markets. VSH operates primarily in the following segments: diodes, optoelectronic components, resistors, inductors, and capacitors. VSH recently extended its NCW at family of wide terminal thin film chip resistors with a new line of devices in the 0612 case size, for powering electronics in automotive and industrial applications. The company has also introduced a new series of surface mount multi-layer ceramic chip capacitors, MLCCs, with a lead, PB, bearing termination finish. The capacitors are suitable for low Earth orbit, LEO, satellites and other space, military, and avionics applications that require tin whisker mitigation. For the fourth quarter ended December 31, 2020, VSH reported top-line revenue of $667.2 million, representing a 9.4% increase year-over-year, which was driven by higher sales to automotive customers. Its operating margin for the quarter was 9%. At the same time, VHS product inventories were reduced by a further $24 million. The company delivered EPS of 26 cents, rising 4% compared to the year-ago value of 10 cents. VSH designs its devices to increase the efficiency of high-frequency applications by reducing switching losses regardless of the effects of temperature variances. This allows the diodes to operate at higher temperatures. With a year-to-date gain of 12.4%, the company's product innovations, successful acquisition strategy, and one-stop-shop service are driving its path toward global industry leadership. Wall Street analysts estimate VSH's current year revenue and EPS will increase 15.5% and 71.7%, respectively, year-over-year. VSH's ratings reflect this promising outlook. VSH has an overall rating of B, which equates to buy in our rating system. The ratings are calculated by considering 118 different factors with the weighting of each optimized to improve overall performance. VSH has an A grade for both value and industry. It is ranked number 17 of 96 stocks in the semiconductor and wireless chip industry. KLIC and Software Industries, Inc. KLIC. Singapore-based KLIC is a leading provider of semiconductor, LED and electronic packaging and assembly solutions that support the global automotive, consumer, communications, computing, and industrial sectors. It operates in 2 segments: capital equipment, and aftermarket products and services, APS. Earlier this month, KLIC acquired a 100% equity stake in Unicata Inc., a technology company headquartered in Cambridge, USA. The strategic acquisition includes Unicata's patent portfolio and other intellectual property rights. The company aims to strengthen and extend its overall mini and micro-LED technology portfolio. Revenues for its last reported fiscal first quarter ended January 2, 2021 surged 85.6% year-over-year to $267.9 million, driven by increased demand in the general semiconductor, LED and automotive markets. KLIC continued to meet ongoing demand for its initial advanced display system, Pixelux, during the quarter. Its EPS came in at 77 cents, rising 267% versus the year-ago value. As a pioneer in the semiconductor space, KLIC has provided customers with market-leading packaging solutions for decades. In recent years, the company has expanded its product offerings through strategic acquisitions and organic development, adding advanced packaging, electronics assembly, wedge bonding and a broader range of expendable tools to its core offerings. The stock is already up a whopping 51.3% year to date and could garner further momentum because analysts expect KLIC's current year revenue and EPS to rise 78.4% and 236.8%, respectively, year over year. The ratings are also high for KLIC. It has an overall rating of A, which translates to a strong buy. KLIC also has a B grade for both growth and momentum. It is ranked number 5 in the A-rated semiconductor and wireless chip industry. VSH shares were trading at $23.56 per share on Friday afternoon, up 28 cents, plus 1.20%. Year to date, VSH has gained 13.76% versus a 4.56% rise in the benchmark S&P 500 index during the same period. Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate your continued support. For more daily news, please subscribe to our channel. This is Economics Empire and we'll see you in the next one.